another IIT JEE question to solve asked in the year 2002 for 2 marks. Let's start solving. So it says the length of the longest interval in which 3 sin x minus 4 sin cube x is increasing is. So you have been given the function as 3 sin x minus 4 sin cube x, and if you know the formula for this, there is nothing left in the question. So what is the formula of 3 sin theta minus 4 sin cube theta? It is sin 3 theta. So basically you have been given sin 3x and you have to find out the length of the longest interval in sin 3x in which it would increase. So simple, let's start. I know if sin 3x would not have been there had it been sin x, had I been talking about sin x, I know that sin x would have been increasing in the longest interval of pi. After that it will start decreasing. So when sin x is increasing in the longest interval of pi, I have to talk about sin 3x. So in such cases, what you have to do is, if it asks you about sin x, you know through the graph. If it asks you about sin ax, where a is 3 or 2, what you will do is, you will just write pi with denominator as that a value, that is simply pi by 3, and that you will be getting as the answer. Now see, this simple tip, if you know, you don't have to solve it full for increasing, you don't have to find out the derivative and all. Directly you get 2 marks with one simple tick orally. If it is talking about sin ax, what you do? You just simply write down that in the denominator of that sin x. So pi by 3 is the answer.